This is a quick demo of how to use the new notes feature in all of the EBSCO databases. I'm going to get started by signing into my account because that's where the notes are going to show up. So now that I'm logged in, I'm just going to go ahead and do a search for just anything. Crazy politicians. And once you get your results, as I said, once you get your results, there we go. So now if I see something that I want, like I'm interested in this one, I can click on this title to pull up the full citation, and we're going to see a new icon over here, and this is the notes icon, create note. So what I would do is I would click on that, and it will pop this window up. I can change this note title. Crazy train opinion. You can write the note in here. Paper. The context means that it's referring to the article that you're making the note about. So we'll see where that comes into play in just a second. But I'm going to go ahead and save this. You'll notice that I have a new flag over here where it's saying that I have a note for this article. If I were to leave this and come back, this note would pop up again. So let's jump over into my folder now, and we'll take a quick look. And of course your folder has a number of different preset folders already in it, but here's this one right here, notes. So you can see I have one note in here, and here it is. And if I want to read what I wrote in my notes, I'm just going to click on that. The article's great, I should use it for my paper. If I want to see the article that it's attached to, I'm going to click on this View Context link. I actually think that this is a little confusing because, you know, view context, what exactly does that mean? You know, but there we are, we're sort of stuck with it. I can jump back into my folder notes in View. The other thing that I don't like about this is that you could have a note, and then perhaps you did, you know, that would be in your notes folder. Then you'd have the citation perhaps that you had saved. That would be in one of these folders that you created down here. It seems a little kind of, it would be easy to get confused, but then again, maybe that's just me. I can, of course, if I want to delete this, I can just go ahead and select it and just say delete. Make sure you want to delete it. Yeah, I'll get rid of it. So again, you know, I'm not sure how often people will use this because, again, I'm not quite sure about if it's quite as clear to the user as it might be to you or me about how this works. But it is there. Apparently I didn't select an item to delete, which I thought I did, but there you go. But I did want to point it out because that icon is going to show up on the citation, at the citation level for all of our EBSCO databases, and my assumption is that people are going to start to ask questions about it. Apparently I'm having an issue deleting that item from my folder. But again, it's that icon, it's showing up there, and if you hover over it, it'll say create note. So if you have any questions, I'm going to send you a link to the help file for this particular function in EBSCO. It's not really going to tell you much more than I did here, but at least you can have it to refer to again if you need to. Thanks.